This is a simple project that tells us the temperature of any city, state or country. Now let's see a demo of this project. First, open the Get Weather tab. Here you will see a screen with an input field labeled Enter a place name and a button labeled Get Weather. To use it, simply enter the name of a city, state, country, or any place in the input field. Then click the Get Weather button to retrieve the temperature of that location. For this demo, let's enter Delhi and click on the Get Weather button. The system is now fetching the Get Weather data for the given place. As you can see on the screen, the current temperature in Delhi is 23.97 degrees Celsius and humidity is 60%.